Okay, well, this is the old salt miner, and what I'm building is a mouse bait station, and that's the lid. And what I really want to talk about is there's a lot of controversy on the internet and on different groups on the CR10 and whether or not you need to put tape down, glue down, a combination of both. And I've tried a little bit of everything. I've tried tape. I hate tape. I've tried tape and glue. That works okay, but if you don't get the tape perfectly flat, it will cause wrinkles in your product. So what I've finally decided works the best for me is glue stick on glass. Hang on a minute. If I can get it out. Yeah. So this is El Cheapo glue stick. Got it at the dollar store. You get 4 of them for $1. I haven't even used a whole one yet because you can use the glue stick over and over and over. So once you've applied it, it can be used for quite a while. And I've actually done as many as 10 projects, and the glue stick works and the piece works. Now, some people say you don't even need glue stick. Some people say you can do it with just right on the glass, and you might be able to. I've tried that once and the corner curled up on my project. But glue stick, as cheap as it is, and the way it lasts over and over, once applied, every once in a while I'll clean it off with glass cleaner and a rag, and then reapply it. But it's like not very often. But I think one of the critical things is that you level the bed correctly. And I level the bed on each corner. Not actually on the corner. I do it in about maybe a little bit past where the screws are. You can see there's the screw right there. I think that works about the best because you do it clear out on the corner and your glass isn't perfectly flat, and probably none of it is. Then that works a little better, I think. So leveling is real important, and I always level it to a sheet of paper. So I put a sheet of paper under it, level it to that, drag it back and forth. When it's just dragging, that's where I like to have it. And as you can see, it lays down a nice bead, and it's working pretty good. Now, glue stick will leave, like you can see there's some little pieces there, and those will make little bumps in the bottom of your project, or the top, as the case is with this. That's the top it's working on. But you can live with that. If you're looking for perfection, then you need to buy a $5,000 3D printer and not a $300 one like this one. But I tell you what, for $300, this is probably as good as you're going to get. Alright, well, that's all I have to say about glass and glue stick and tape. Please like, subscribe. Hope this helps somebody. Because I tell you what, there's a lot of misinformation or information that's specific to some other 3D printer. This CR10 is pretty forgiving as long as you have all the settings right. Alright, talk to you later.